Good morning, children. This is Shwebulsu speaking. Children, as of now, we have completed till question number 10 of exercise 10.1, which is about mensuration. Mensuration is about the primary concept of perimeter and area of different shapes like geometrical shapes, triangle, square, then rectangle, such figures. So children, here in this video, we are going to have a discussion on a very important and interesting question, that is number 11. So children, let us read the question number 11 as it's very important to understand before we solve. A piece of a string is 30 centimeter long. So children, suppose this is a piece of a string and length of this string is 30 centimeter. All right. What will be the length of each side if its string is used to form a square, an equilateral triangle, and a regular hexagon? Okay, so we are having some shapes over here, and we need to find the length of each side of this figure. Suppose let us draw the figure first, children. Suppose a square. Okay, this square will be made using this particular string only. This string only. So children, of course, it is pretty understandable that if I use a whole string of 30 centimeter or an entire string of 30 centimeter to form a square, so of course, the perimeter of the square will be 30 centimeter only, because 30 centimeters entire string is being used to form this square. So obviously, perimeter is the length of the boundary or the sum of the boundary. So it's supposed to be 30 centimeter only. Alright children, so perimeter is 30 centimeters. So what will be the measure of each side? For square, we know that the measure of each side of a square, each side of square is equal to perimeter by 4. Okay children, so perimeter is 30 centimeter and as there are 4 sides in a square, so naturally the measure of each side would be 30 divided by 4. So let us calculate by cancelling or reducing these two values. 2 2s are 4 and 15 2s are 30. So 15 by 2 will be 7.5 centimeter. So each side of the square would be 7.5, 7.5, 7.5 and 7.5 centimeter. Now question comes in your mind, may arouse in your mind that, sir, how could we cross-check our answer whether it's 7.5 or not? So if you really want to check your answer whether it's 7.5 or not, just do add 7.5 4 times, 7.5 4 times, or you can simply multiply 4 with 7.5. Children, your answer will be surely 30 centimeter if you multiply 4 with 7.5. So I could have measured the measure of each side of a square. That was 7.5 centimeter. And now we are asked to draw an equilateral triangle. Children, the meaning of equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all 3 sides are of equal measure. So naturally, if I'm using a string of 30 centimeter length, so of course the perimeter would be 30 centimeter only, because the entire string is being used to give a shape of a equilateral triangle. So naturally, in order to get the measure of each side of a triangle, what are we supposed to do? We would just simply divide the perimeter by 3. So if you're dividing the perimeter by 3, so 3 tens are 30. That's a brilliant answer. The measure of each side would be 10 centimeter each. 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Measure of all 3 sides will be 10 centimeter only. Alright. Now, let's talk about a regular hexagon. Okay. So children, how to make a regular hexagon? A hexagon means like a 6-sided closed enclosed polygon. But when we're talking about a regular hexagon, means all 6 sides are of equal measure. All 6 sides are of equal measure. So the perimeter will be of course 30 centimeter only, because I'm using the entire wire to form a regular hexagon. So what am I supposed to do right now, children? I'll just divide the perimeter of this figure by 6 in order to get the measure of each side. As there are 6 sides, so I'm divided by 6. 5, 6 is 30. So it's 5, it's 5, it's 5, 5, 5, 5. The measure of all 6 sides would be 5 centimeter. I hope it's very clear to everybody. Now, a question which I prefer to give an exam every year, that is a very interesting question. Question number 12. The question number 12 is about two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Okay, that's great. So let us draw a triangle first, children. The measure of one side is 12 centimeter, one side is 14 centimeter, and the perimeter of the third side of the triangle is unknown to us, that we don't know, but the perimeter is given, that is 36 centimeter. The perimeter is 36 centimeter. So what is the measure of the third side is to be calculated. How to do this? Just do add these two sides and subtract it for 36, or from the total sum. Total sum is 36 and I'll add 12 plus 14. So I'll write 36 minus 12 plus 14 is 26. Answer is 10 centimeter. I hope it's clear to everyone. Children, we will of course not write in this way. We will be writing with a statement. We'll write, how will you write? The measure of each side. One side of the triangle is 12 centimeter. The measure of the other side is 14 centimeter. Perimeter is 36 centimeter. Therefore, the measure of the third side, the length of the third side is 36 minus 12 plus 14. And our answer is 10 centimeter. I hope it's absolutely clear to everyone. If there is any doubts and confusions, please let me know. Feel free to speak. Please do submit this work in the Google Classroom positively. Till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day.